Pickled peppers, ready to eat in 30 minutes. When I learned this recipe, I wanted to share it right away. With this quick pickling technique, even a beginner in the kitchen can make and enjoy pickled peppers. It's so easy and delicious. Let's make it. I'm using 1 cup grape vinegar, 3/4 of a cup oil. I used mix of sunflower and olive oil. And added little less than half cup water and 1.5 tablespoons rock salt. I'm gonna give it a stir and boil. Meanwhile, we can prepare the peppers. I washed them a couple of times. Make sure it is very clean. Cut the stems and cut it into 3-4 pieces. Think about the size you want to have when you eat. My pickling water began to boil, so I added half of the green peppers and going to cook them until it softens. Again, it should be the same way how you want to eat, a bit softer but not too much. Depending on how fresh your peppers are, it might take about 4 or 5 minutes or more. For the red peppers, I cut the stems and take out the seeds and going to cut into bite-sized pieces. It's been about 6 minutes. As you can see, my peppers are yellowish and they are softened a bit. I'm draining and taking it out to another plate. And I'm gonna continue to boil the second part. And we need about 5-6 or as much as you want cloves of garlic. After peeling them, I'm just gonna cut into roughly 2 pieces. Next, the red peppers go in. You can keep the small cloves as is and cut the bigger ones into 2 pieces. My pickling juice was getting less, so I decided to add a bit more, just roughly from oil, vinegar and salt, and continue to cook. I also added the garlic pieces while cooking the red peppers. I want them to soften a bit. And after, again, depending on how fresh and thin are the peppers, just check them. When it is soft enough, you can add the green peppers back and mix everything, simmering for 1-2 more minutes. We want all the flavors to get into each other. Add a big handful of chopped parsley. Give it a stir and our quick pickled peppers are ready. We need to can the rest. I boiled my jars and the lids. They are still hot, and also the pickled peppers are hot, simmering right now. And I just portion them into small jars and going to close the lid while they are still hot. It is better to do one by one. I just forgot and put the second one, so I poured back and put it again to make sure it is still hot, and continue to portion. With this amount I was able to fill about 300 milliliter jars, and this is left over to enjoy the same day. We loved it so much I did the second time right away. This one I opened after 15 days. I still prefer to keep it in the fridge since it is not cold yet in Istanbul, and it was same delicious as I did the first day. So give it a try, let me know how it turned out, and see you in the next episode. Afiyet olsun.